Hello fellow traders, Paul Limo, Big Unit Trading Club. Got another stock for you here. It's a pretty fast stock on breakouts. We actually had this in the trading pond probably somewhere late August, somewhere in here. Got the actual breakout over here early, about mid-September or so. And it's already up probably, 100%. Now we're looking for a pullback retest of that primary cycle in the cup. Came off a TM2 cycle breakout of the cup. I have to apologize for these lines right here. I have not figured out how to get rid of them on TC2000. This is a older platform, but it works great for scanning for stocks, but sometimes there's some bugs in it. But anyways, the cycle setup on it, 4.5 BMI, vector 1 on the left-hand side, TD9 cycle, and on Cat 1, TM2, 3.5 month cycle on Cat 2. And then you got inside that, we finally got a TM4 cycle over here. It's a 10 to 13 month cycle inside there. And a TD6 price squeeze. You can see the pullback here. You got wave 1 down. And then you got wave 2 and wave 3 inside of wave 1. So the price squeeze was forming right there. It was actually forming pretty much throughout this because the cycle 2 lows, the Cat 2 lows held above the Cat 1 lows. And you can see the Cat 4 or Cat 3 with the TM4 cycle held above the TM2 Cat 2 cycle. So you got price squeeze, price squeeze, price squeeze. So over here, I kind of expect the same thing. We got a pullback here to probably the $20 PPP. I think we'll get some air neck consolidation, and would not be surprised to see just a few days pullback here. That could change. It's definitely got some basement supply. It's up 100% here, so it could take a little while longer to work it off, or it could just go kaput. It just depends on the fundamentals driving it. Right now, there's some really good price action and really good accumulation showing through this cup consolidation. It's in a good quality price range too, 20 to 25 bucks. So I do expect to see follow through on it. As far as price targets, let's look at the cycle. That's probably the best place. Let's see here. Yeah, we'll just draw from that original breakout. That's going to be probably a 5 to 7 month cycle. Yeah. TM3 cycle off the lows. Okay, here's some price targets based on the cycles off the low. We got the X channel. It almost hit on this breakout of a TM4 cycle. Again, we're pulling back in and retesting that line. So the 2X channel is going to be around $45 or so. And if we get a little dip down here to 22 bucks or so, that'd be a good double if it hit right on that line. So again, I expect that to hold on a pullback to that $20 PPP test. So I'd be watching real closely there. The stock rating is a B-88. Risk profile is a B. And this is a PBC zone trading. The current market rating still holding at A+. So good shape there. So this would be a higher score, obviously, if we didn't have excessive volatility. It's kind of a blessing and a curse. You have too much, the risk is increased, but you have too little, then you don't get the big gains. So, but overall, pattern quality looks pretty good. And again, we should see resolution next few days. If you want to use the scaling method I use, basically a breakout of a 5-day high. And that's on part 1, 1/3. Part 2, breakout of a 10-day high, and then a breakout of a 25-day high to scale in 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. So if you get a couple days pullback here, then a breakout of here, you're going to have 2 parts in at a 5 and a 10-day high breakout. And over here, that can be probably 25 days and probably a few weeks over here. If you get another couple weeks of chopping around, you have a 25-day high breakout there. But looks good overall. Again, this is LTBR Lightbridge Corporation. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.